Okay guys, welcome back to Cruise class. Today we'll be looking at how we can actually solve different log equations. Now to solve log equations, we have to ensure that we first know our different log rules. Now, first of all, we have here log x plus log 3 equal to log 5, right? However, if you notice, there's no base. Now, what you need to understand is that anytime you do not see a base, you assume it to be base 10. Okay, so that's a given. So that's a given, as I said. And once we reach here, all we have to do is ensure that we have all our log terms on one side and all our log terms on another side. From there, we have to ensure that we have one log term on the left and one log term on the right. One log term is already on the right of the equation. So now we need to get these two log terms to one log term. Now when we add two log terms of the same base, as you can see base 10, we multiply the terms x times 3. So that will give us 3x. So instead of writing log x plus log 3, we're going to write log 3x to base 10. As we see here. Now that we have one log term on the left and one log term on the right, we can then eliminate both log terms. So we're going to eliminate this log base 10 here and this log base 10 here, as illustrated. And now we're going to be left with a regular equation. 3x is equal to 5. And as said or stated in our solving balancing equations video, you can see that all we have to do is get the x by itself by dividing by 3 and dividing the next side by 3. So therefore, x will be equal to 5 over 3. So let's look at another example. In this example, we see that log, give me a second, log x minus 3 is equal to 3. Now once more, what we need to remember is that anytime we see no base, we assume it to be base 10. Good? And from there, we can then say we need to turn this side into a log, because we need to have a one log on this side and one log term. So how can we turn a whole number into a log? Now, when you look at this rule over here, imagine a to be a whole number. All we need to do to turn a to a log is to just say, put a as the index, put b as the term that's being logged, and put b as the base. So once we have the term that is being logged, which is b, we just need to have the base being the same thing. So once more, if a is equal to log b base b raised to a, that's how we can convert any whole number to a log. So given that we have 3 here, what we're going to need to do, given that the log over on this side is 10, we're going to need to have, to convert 3 to log, we're going to say 3 to log of base 10 would be log 10 base 10 and 3 as the index. Now that we have that, all we have to do is eliminate the log on each side. So we're going to be left with x minus 3 equals to 10 cubed. And once more, all we do is just regular balancing of equations. To get the x by itself, we need to add 3 to both sides. So as we see here, 10 cubed will be 1000. And from we see that 1000, x will be equal to 1000 plus 3, 1003. And that's how we do log equations. Now, I will do more videos on log equations, but for now, these should give you a basic example of how we carry out log equations.